Right, first everyone completed now. Right, I go through the 10th problem. I go through the 10th problem. Everyone see. 10th problem is what they are going to give it. 10th problem we can see. 10th problem is find the angle between the pair of lines. Vector form equations is given. Find the angle between vector form of the equation is given. R bar is equal to 2y minus 5j. First bit 2y minus 5j plus 5k. Right. Second one is k lambda into 3i plus 2j plus 6k is the first line equation, and second line R is equal to 7i minus 6k plus some mu constant into I plus 2j plus 2k, I plus 2j plus 2k. This is the given problem. Everyone see this is the given problem, right? This is in the form of R bar is equal to A1 plus lambda into B1. This is in the form of R bar is equal to A2 plus mu into B2, right? It is A2 bar plus, this is the second equation. So now the angle between two lines is cos theta formula is B1 bar dot B2 bar by modulus of B1 bar into modulus of B2 bar. Apply this formula. We get the angle. First B1 bar. What is the B1 is here? Already we know that. B1 bar is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Here B2 bar is I plus 2j plus 2k. Now write down B1 bar is the 3i plus 2j plus 6k dot I plus 2j plus 2k by modulus of this one, modulus of B1, modulus of 3i plus 2j plus 6k into modulus of I plus 2j plus 2k. Dot product is I components multiplication, j component multiplication. Cos theta is equal to I component multiplication is the 3, j component multiplication is the 4, k component multiplication is the 12, root over I component square modulus j component square 6 k component square. Second one modulus is I component square is the 1 square, j component square is the 2 square, k component square is the 2 square. First always take the acute angle. So cos theta is equal to 19 by 36, 40, 49, root 49. Here is 489, right? So that is equal to 19 by 7 into 3. That is equal to 19 by 21. Therefore, angle theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 by 21. Should be write out. Second bit is the same model homework you can do. I will go through the 11th problem. I go through the 11th problem. First move towards 11th problem. Second bit is the homework. Second bit is the homework. Same model. 11th problem. First bit here also 2 bits is there. I am going to the first bit only I am doing. Second bit we take as a homework. 11th problem. First bit. It is also find the angle between the pair of lines. x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by 5, z plus 3 by minus 3 is the first line. Second line is x plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 8, z minus 5 by 4. Right. Cartesian equations is given. Then what is the procedure we are going to work out the problem is, everyone see, first equation should be write down cos theta. It is write down in the correct form, x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. By the comparison, a1 b1 c1 is equal to 2 5 minus 3. One point is completed. Here x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, and z minus z2 by c2. By the comparison, a2, b2, c2 values are a2, b2, c2 dias only, minus 1, 8, 4. Then cos theta formula write down with dias only, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now under the modulus, right, apply. We get the answer, everyone, first. Cos theta is equal to a1 is 2, a2 is 2 into minus 1, 5 into a2e, b2 is 8, and c1 is minus 3, c2 is 4 upon root over a1 square is the 2 square, b1 square is the 5 square, c1 square is the minus 3 square, a2 square is minus 1 square, b2 square is the 8 square, c2 square is the 4 square, under modulus. Right, simplify, everyone. Minus 2 plus 40 minus 12 upon 25, 29, root 38, 64, 64, 16, 64, 16 and 1, that is the 10, 11, 81, root 81. Root 81, check one time, everyone. 64, 16, that is equal to 10, 80, 81, right. Now write down. Now write down, everyone. Now write down, everyone. So that is equal to 28, 26, 26. See, everyone, correct na? 26. So 2 subtraction means 38, 28, 26 by, this is the 9, root of 38. 38 means any chance is there? 2, 1 time 29, no chance, root 38. So should be write down. Theta is equal to write down the cos inverse of 26 by 9 of root 38. So 12th problem. 11th second bit we can do the homework. Same model. 12th problem. 12th, 13th is completed, means almost all going to complete. Only we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, okay, in that one, 2 models we can explain, means problems is completed. Any cost we are going to, tomorrow no class now, for us no period. but Saturday it must be completed, no doubt about it. Monday, everyone put the, that is the objective notes. We are going to start. So objective on Monday. Any cost I am going to, what is the deleted? I will put the videos in this one, 3D, 3-dimension, plane equations and coplanarity. What are the deleted, plane angle between the planes and everything. Exercise problems also will make the videos and I will put. Okay, na? Right. Right, everyone come to the 12th problem. Find the values of P so that the lines are right angles. Two lines are right angle. The DRs A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. First one is the given line C. Cartesian form line equations are given. So what is that? 1 minus x by 3 is equal to 7y minus 14 by 2p is equal to z minus 3 by 2, and second equation is 7 minus 7x by 3p is equal to y minus 5 by 1 is equal to 6 minus z by 3 are perpendicular or right angles. First given equation, make it as a correct form. X minus x1 form. For that one, take minus is common. Minus is common. Minus of x minus 1 by 3. Here 7 take common. Y minus 2 of 2p is equal to z. It is in the correct. Z minus 3 by 2. This minus write down downside. X minus 1 by 3. This 7 write down downside. Y minus 2p by 2p by 7. And z minus 3 by 2. It is now it is in the correct form. So it is in the form of x minus x1 by a1. Y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Now it is in the correct form. Now write down the DRC. A1, B1, C1 is equal to 3, 2p by 7 and 2. All right, correct the second equation also. Only x. So no coefficient of x. Only single x. So now correct it. Minus 7 take common. So x minus 1 by 3p. It is correct. Y minus single y minus 5 by 1. But take minus is common. Z minus 6 by 3. Now write down correct form. X minus 1 by 3p by minus 7. Y minus 5 by 1. Z minus 6 by minus 3. Now it is in the correct form. X minus x2 by a2. Y minus y2 by b2. Z minus z2 by c2. C2, right? By the comparison, what are the DRs right now? A2, B2, C2. A2, B2, C2 is equal to minus 3p by 7, 1 minus 3, right? Now the two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. Then condition is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Write down A1 value, A2 value, B1 value, B2 value, and find out the P value fast. And find out the P value fast. Everyone complete. First, everyone complete. A1 is 3. A2 is minus 3p by 7. B1 is 2p by 7. B2 is 1. C2 is 2. C2 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Right, simplify everyone. We get the answer P value. Simplify, you get the P value everyone. Minus 3P by minus 9P. Minus 9P by 7 plus 2P by 7 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 bring on the right side plus 6. Minus 9P plus 2P by the LCM, 6 into 7 cross multiplication. Minus 7P is equal to 6 into 7. 7 is cancelled. P is equal to minus 6. Completed P value. Right, come to the 13th problem. Show that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Right, come to the 13th problem. Show that the lines are perpendicular to each other. We have to show that the two lines are perpendicular, mean A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, DRs only is equal to, we get 0. Then we say that the two lines are perpendicular. Right. Go through the 13th problem first. Everyone move towards 13th problem. What is the 13th problem? E. First line is given. So 13th problem, first line is given. It is the correct form or not, you can check. X minus 5 by 7, correct. X no, X is single X. So now Y plus 4, Y plus 2 by minus 5, correct. So Z by 1, Z by 1. Second line C, X by 1, Y by 2, Z by 3. So by A1, B1, C1 is equal to 7 minus 5, 1. And A2, B2, C2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now A1, A2 plus B1, B2 value find out. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 value find out. A1, A2, 7 into 1. B1, B2 minus 5 into 2, C1, C2 1 into 3. That is 7 minus 10 plus 3, all are cancelled, value is 0. Therefore, the two lines are perpendicular. The two lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular. Finish. 13th problem also completed. From 14 we have, that is the skew lines problems. Only skew lines. What is the skew lines? Shortest distance between the two lines. The two shortest distance mean, what is the